This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jill Thomas. Welcome to this well-designed 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. Situated on a spacious lot of over 13,000 square feet, this property offers a thoughtful split floor plan that ensures privacy for all. With both a family room and a living room, plus a dining area and a cozy breakfast nook in the kitchen, this home is perfect for a variety of lifestyles and needs. The generous side yard provides ample space for a garden, a future swimming pool, or a play area for outdoor fun. Rest easy with recent updates including a brand new roof, 2023, all-impact windows and/or hurricane shutters, and a reliable HVAC system from 2017. Plus, the HOA dues are just $300 per year. Enjoy easy access to the Legacy Trail, just 0.10 miles away, and nearby hotspots like Siesta Key Beach, 6.5 miles, downtown Sarasota, 6 miles, University Town Center, 9.5 miles, Main Street at Lakewood Ranch, 11 miles, and Waterside Place, 10.5 miles. This home is ready to welcome you. For more information, review the details below.